Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. My name is Kenzie. If you did not know that, then now you know. And you guys, today I'm going to be going over my top 5 favorite handbags that are under $1,500. If this is your first time ever seeing me, then hello, I'm so happy to have you. My name is Kenzie. I make a lot of videos about luxury handbags, luxury fashion, travel, jewelry, but mostly handbags. I like those a lot, but if any of that sounds fun to you, if you like the idea, then I would ask you consider clicking the subscribe button and give this video a like and ding the little bell down there so you're notified every time I upload. And you guys, without any further ado, let's get on into the video. So yes, first things first, I'm so sorry if you can hear like every single neighbor dog barking. They're quiet right now, but if you can hear them during this video, I really do apologize. But yes, I wanted to go over these bags today because I wanted to find some handbags that were around $1,500 or below. Most of these are below $1,500. Just to kind of give you, if you are kind of in the market for something but don't want to spend above $1,500, then I have some amazing options to go over with you guys today. So maybe you could add these to bags that you should go look at, or if you were kind of already thinking about one of these bags, then this might kind of be like, yes, I'm gonna go ahead and get it. So let's just get into the first bag. I've done this before with like bags under $600, I believe. I have 5 here in no particular order. We're just gonna start with this one. This one is from Burberry. Now I'm not usually a Burberry girly. I do have a couple of pieces from Burberry. Burberry. I don't know. I do like them to an extent. I'm not a huge fan of like a new Burberry. Everything is so expensive with new Burberry, but I do think that this mini bowling bag is super duper cute. It's kind of like a Boston bag style. It is $1,450 and I love the side profile. The side profile is the cutest thing I've ever seen. It's like so round. I love it. It's like so round. I feel like it would fit a lot of stuff in here. And of course you've got the classic Burberry check print. It has a detachable and adjustable shoulder strap, so that's great. So you can wear a crossbody on your shoulder or top handle with the other little top handles. And then it does have a embossed Burberry luggage tag. That's super cute as well. It has a gold toned hardware, it looks like. And I want to see the dimensions. So it's 7.3 inches long, I want to say. It doesn't specify. So I'm just going to assume that it's 7.3 inches long, 4.3 inches in height, and 4.7 inches in depth. So it's definitely like on the medium size for handbags, not small, but not super massive either. This would be a really cute everyday bag. If you wanted to get something that has like an iconic design, but not like a logo, then I do think Burberry would be a really good option. So yeah, there's that, $1,450. I think it's super cute. I thought that I would shout out Burberry for this one. And they also have a mini version as well. So this one is, I want to say the small. Oh no, this one is the mini. They just have different colors. Okay, great. So they have it in the basic Burberry print, and they also have it in a few other colors. But yeah, I like this a lot. You can get it personalized as well. It's great. Next up, we have this one from Prada. It's the Prada Nylon Re-Edition 2000 bag. Now, I really like this bag. I don't think that I would ever get it for myself because I have other handbags that kind of suit this purpose. But if you're looking for like your first handbag or one of your first handbags, if you're very new into the luxury space, this would be a fantastic option. It's very easy to keep clean. It's very easy to just take with you anywhere. This could easily be an everyday bag for a lot of people. It's $1,250. It comes in loads of colors. So if you get a darker color like the black, then it's basically gonna be looking brand new forever, unless you get like a big stain on it, but whatever, it's okay. I think that it is just an easy material all around, the nylon. The nylon makes it very casual as well. So if you got something like this in leather, it would kind of oomph up the fanciness of it, if you will. So a lot of people may not want to carry around like a full-on leather handbag all the time. They might want to have something a little more pliable, just something a little more loosey-goosey, and I think this would be a fantastic option. It does say that it's a mini bag, but it still fits a decent amount of stuff. It's the same size as the 2005 re-edition that has like the crossbody strap. This one doesn't have a crossbody strap. It just has the one top handle. But if you've seen that bag, then you've probably seen this bag. It's the same size, but I guess it's still considered a mini bag. This one has silver toned hardware for all of you silver girlies out there. I don't know if it comes in gold, maybe not. The dimensions of this one, the height is 17 centimeters. I don't know what that is in inches. 6.693 inches. And then that's the height. The width is 22 centimeters. That's 8 inches. And then the depth is 6 centimeters. So 2 inches in depth. So I do think that it would still fit a decent amount of stuff. It's not gonna be like a massive bag. Like I think the Burberry bowling bag that I showed you previous would definitely fit a lot more things. But this one, I don't think you're gonna have literally any issues whatsoever. And again, this is a very everyday handbag. Even the Burberry one's a very everyday handbag. So I think this would be a fantastic option if you're into this. Number 3, we have this beautiful bag from Gucci. And this is basically the same bag that I have, the Gucci Ophidia GG shoulder bag, except for this one does not come with the crossbody strap. It is just the bag and it has a top handle, and the top handle is adjustable, but it's not removable. So there's 2 versions of this bag. The one that I have has detachable. I'll show it to you. Okay, so here's the one that I have. And it's literally the exact same bag, except imagine that this chain right here is replaced with a leather strap, a brown leather strap that is fully attached on both sides. You can adjust it, but you can't take it off. And it does not come with a crossbody strap. It doesn't come with this little charm right here, but everything else is still pretty much the same. Same design, same silhouette, just the straps are different. But this one is $1,350, and I still think this is a fantastic choice. I love, love, love my version of this handbag. I think it's the cutest thing in the entire world. I get a lot of wear out of it, especially during the fall time. Like even now, I'm starting to take this bag out a little more than when I did in the summertime. But I think this bag is so cute. It is canvas, so it's very, very durable. You're not gonna have any issues with it scratching or with it getting damaged really in any way. It can go out in the rain, no problem. Again, all of these that I'm showing today, I'm trying to make them very everyday handbags, very casual, but things that you can take pretty much anywhere with you. But yeah, this one right here is probably the most durable of the bunch so far. I just think the silhouette is beautiful. You're not gonna have any issues with this silhouette going out of style. It's the classic kind of moon shape, if you will, kind of Y2K shoulder bag. And you know, these bags are still being created because people keep buying them, so they're not going out of style anytime soon. It is 9.8 inches in width, 5.9 inches in height, and 2.5 inches in depth. The adjustable top handle does have a 7.5 inch drop. So you can probably fit this over your shoulder very easily, no problems there. Same dimensions, I do believe, as my handbag. So literally it's the exact same handbag, just different straps. So this is what the bag will look like. Just not with the gold chain and not with this little charm. So cute. I've had this bag for almost a year now, and it looks the exact same as when it did when I took it out of the packaging. Exact same, no changes whatsoever. Very, very hard wearing bag if you're looking for something like that. Oh, I have 6 to show you. I said 5 earlier, but I have 6. Number 4, we have this one. Oh my God, I'm so obsessed with this bag. I have not been obsessed with the Jacquemus bag in the longest time, but this one I really, really, really like. So this is the Le Bambino. Bambimo. I don't know how to say it properly, but it has a lot of different colors, but this color in particular is speaking to my heart right now. It is this beautiful, gorgeous chocolate brown color, and it's a top handle and a shoulder bag, and it looks like it fits a lot of stuff. It is $1,145, and I think this just looks really nice. I don't know why. Like, I really, really like this style. It kind of gives me Coach Pillow Tabby vibes. It also kind of gives me Fendi Baguette vibes a tiny bit. Just the shape, really. And I think that you're going to be able to fit a lot of stuff in this bag as well. And the price point, in my opinion, is not bad at all. It's one of the cheapest bags on this list. Cheapest, I say in quotations because none of them are cheap. But it is the least expensive handbag in this video, I do believe. But again, this bag comes in loads of colors. It has the beautiful puffy texture that I personally know and love. I know a lot of people don't like that, but I really do. Oh, does it come with a crossbody strap? I know it comes with like a shoulder strap, but it says double shoulder straps to carry on the shoulder or across the chest. Double shoulder straps. I have no idea. It doesn't show a picture of anybody wearing it over their chest. So I assume that it does come with a crossbody strap as well. That also makes me want to buy it right now because I didn't know that it fully came with like a shoulder strap and a crossbody strap. I love it. It has a back pocket? It does. Oh my God. I'm just like discovering so many things about this bag that I didn't know. Okay, this bag is like 100% on my radar now. Like maybe for Christmas, maybe, we'll see. It is 28 centimeters by 15.5 centimeters. So let's see, 28 centimeters long, obviously. So 11 inches long. And then it is 12.5 centimeters high, maybe? It doesn't specify. So 4 inches high, okay. So yeah, it doesn't specify the depth or anything like that, but this bag, really into it. Again, can absolutely be worn as an everyday bag. Jacquemus just makes everyday bags very, very good, except for the tiny little ones. But this one right here is definitely on my radar at the moment. I am kind of obsessed with it. Again, it comes in loads of colors, so you can definitely find the one that's right for you. Number 5, we have this one from The Row. I am not really that well versed in The Row. I see it around a lot on Instagram. And Alyssa Lenore, I follow her. She is really into the Row. She has a lot of their pieces, and I want to say that she actually has this bag as well. And I saw that it was under $1,500. It's $1,450, and I think this is a really nice handbag. I don't think it's personally for me. I typically like to have a little bit of a logo moment. I like quiet luxury, and I also like loud luxury. Probably the only quiet luxury bags I have are my Bottega bags. But The Row is gaining a lot of popularity as of late, and I can understand why. This bag is very nice. It's called the Half Moon bag, and it's in leather, and it has a really funky silhouette. I like the way it looks. It fits under your arm really nicely. I think that if you are looking for something that's very minimal, very under the radar, very quiet luxury, then you'll definitely be into this. It does say that it's an ergonomic, semi-rigid bag in smooth calfskin leather with a flat shoulder strap and curved zipper closure. So I want to say it's like 8 inches in length, and then 13.5 inches in height, and then 2.5 inches in depth. I think this bag will also fit a lot of stuff. Again, very everyday handbag. You can wear this anytime, all the time. Everyday handbag. Made in Italy, and it's 100% leather. So hopefully it's leather on the inside as well, if that's what that means. I think if you're someone that's into The Row, I think that if you're someone that's into things being very understated, if you do not want a logo, if you're not a logo ho, in the words of Cassie, then you would absolutely love this handbag. And I think it's so chic. It's very beautiful. Like, just the craftsmanship, you know, is going to be incredible. The Row has definitely built up a reputation for being insane quality, like actually good quality. You know, sometimes with these other fashion houses, the quality has been going downhill. The Row has been going uphill. Like, it's just insane quality from what I've been told. I don't have any pieces from The Row as of yet, but I would love to add one to my collection at some point. The last bag that we have to talk about today, and this one is going to be one of my personal favorites. I don't have this particular bag, but I do have a Celine Ava bag. And this one, oh, you know what? Okay, here's what happened. I have the 5 that's under $1,500. So it's gonna be top 5. This one is like an honorary mention, like an honorable mention, but it is a little bit over budget. It is $1,700, but it's the Celine Ava bag. I love my Celine Ava. She's still currently in New Jersey being repaired. I don't have her right now. I have the Celine Ava Triomphe bag, and I'm so obsessed with it. I love it, I love it, I love it, I love it so much. And I can't wait for it to get back to me. Like, I really want to start wearing it again. I miss that bag so much. But if you are into Celine, if you like Celine, I would absolutely implore you to take a look at the Celine Ava collection. Again, this is a little over budget, $1,700, but it is, I think, worth it in my opinion. Now, they have the Celine Ava in loads of different styles. So if there is one that you can remove the strap, this one right here, you can't take the strap off. It is affixed to each side. You can adjust it, but you can't take it off. This one is in Triomphe Canvas, and it has trimmings in calfskin. So it has like a little bit of leather there, but not a lot, and it is mostly canvas. It's 10 inches in length, 7 inches in height, and 4 inches in depth. And it also has a adjustable strap drop with a minimum drop of 8 inches and a maximum strap drop of 9 inches. So you can adjust it a pretty good amount. And again, I just think the Celine Ava is fantastic. Again, a very everyday handbag. All of these bags that I've shown today, you can wear every single day. No problems. I'm not gonna talk too much about this one because it technically is over budget, but if you are into Celine, if you like the vibe, I would highly implore you to look at the Celine Ava. If you have been like just into it at all, if you've been kind of toying with the idea, then I love it. It's great. The Celine Avas are amazing. Those are my bags that I think are fantastic, that are under $1,500. Let me know in the comments which one you liked the most out of this list today. Let me know if you have any of the bags that I talked about today, or let me know if there's any of these bags that I talked about today that you want to also go buy now. I want to definitely get that Jacquemus bag. I liked it going into it, but now I'm kind of obsessed. So that one might be the one that I end up buying at some point soon. I don't know actually yet, but I would love to add that Jacquemus to my collection. It would be very, very nice. But yeah, just leave me a comment down below telling me anything because I'm nosy and I want to know that. But you guys, thank you for watching this video today. I really hope that you did enjoy it. If you did, then go ahead and click up the like button for me and then subscribe if you want to, and be sure to ding the little bell down there so you're notified every time I upload. And you guys, I'll see you in the next video. Bye!